So we are the clutch team, and so the report namin is yung about sa shape namin and kung paano ba nag-work to and yung functions niya per line. Then in library, which is yung include glad.h. Yung glad is, ang purpose ng glad is to generate pass forms in a specific code in OpenGL functions, and nag-add sila ng .h, which is makikita nyo sa tabi ng glad. Yung h na is headers operations functions in OpenGL para mas madali at mas madali siyang mag-code din. They include GLFW, which is yung graphics library frameworks, which is ang purpose niyan is para ma-provide ng mga programmers na mag-create and the same time mag-manage sila ng Windows in OpenGL. Then in next line is yung include iostream is library input output. So dito na nga yung void natin is yung natin yung window. Then sa settings natin is yung constant unsigned integer, which is yung dinidefine nito yung width and height, which is yung lapad and haba ng isang window, which is yun makikita yung 800 and 600. Then sa constant char naman natin, which is yung vertex shader and pragma shader. So ang ginagawa ng vertex shader is to set the position of color coordinates position of the shape window. Then the fragments shader naman is set a fixed color fragments fragments. So which is yung vertices is sineset niya yung position ng shape of window, which is yung coordinates niya. Then yung fragments naman is pangkulay siya. Ito makikita niyo dun sa fragment shader, pwede mo siyang i-adjust kung ano yung gusto mong kulay. If ni-remove naman, mapapansin nyo yung nasa open and close parenthesis is that yung color ng yung shape mo yan. So pag tinanggal mo yan is magkakulay white lang yan. So pag nag-add ka ng ganyan like 1.0f is para magkaroon siya ng kulay, yun nga, pang kulay. And the next line is which is yung int main, which is main function of the program yan. Then so ito naman yung sa natin graphics library frameworks initialize and configure is yan version and profile ng graphics library frameworks mo. Ito naman sa asterisk if gumana ba to or if kung na-handle ba nung kung handle and compatibility ba siya sa Mac OS mo, which is yung Mac operation system. Then so proceed na nga tayo for the function code natin, which is in the comment yung graphics library frameworks window creation. So dito na papasok yung pag-create ng window natin. Then sabi dito is ang purpose niyan is to create a graphics library framework windows, checks for success, set the context, and register a callback for frame buffer size changes. Dito guys, so papasok dito. So makikita nyo sa graphics library framework set frame buffer size callback window. Success yung pag-create natin ng window natin for OpenGL. Then this is mapansin nyo dyan, sabi nyo nga dito, mas important din gumamit ng glad to load OpenGL function pointers. Glad, yun na raise platforms for specific code for loading OpenGL functions.